Welcome back, friends. In this video we are going to analyze uh, this failed attack. Okay, so let us see the base. You can see the town hall is in the corner and it is supported by heroes. Three heroes are there. Okay, single target infernos at the corner, and also one single target inferno at this side. Okay, uh, you can see, guys, the archer towers are almost in the corner along the boundary areas. Okay, and the wizard towers in the middle, also the scatter source in the middle. So uh, also you can see, guys, there is high hit point buildings in this area and also in this area. Okay, so what this will benefit the opponent is that since there is high hit point in this area. Okay, so they have to stay sometimes. If the troops are coming from this side or any other side, then they need some time to destroy all these high hit point buildings, and during their stay in this location, this area, this splash damage can take down this army. Okay, uh, also, guys, you can see that the air defense are in the four sides. Okay, so uh, this also helps the means the air troops can attack this type of bases. Okay, so how they can do? If by using heroes or lightning spell or any other type of spell, if you can destroy this and this air defenses, then since they are the nearby this area, and if you deploy your air troops in this side, along this side, then it will be easily tackled. Okay, you have to use one ray spell also. So let us see what mistakes he will commit. First of all, he have deployed three dragons. Okay, one in this area, one in this, and this area. Okay, so that the high hit point buildings may be tackled, and some of the funneling may also take place. Okay, so see, they may have deployed some of the air mines along the boundary, so that they may have damaged the dragons, but there is no air mines. Now, since there is little bit of funneling, then he have deployed all his dragons. Okay, uh, okay, guys, since there was little small hit point building like army camp, a dragon, after destroying this uh, army camp, they have moved towards this side, and some of the dragons have moved in this side. Okay, so there is division of the troops, and that is not the good idea, guys, for the attackers. Also, he have deployed all his heroes. This is a mistake, guys. Why I'm telling this is mistake? because you can see the th is in the corner. Okay, and also it is protected by some of the heroes and single target infernos. Okay, so if you deploy all your heroes in this side, then if there is any emergency, okay, then you cannot tackle this building, guys. Else if you have king and queen, you may put your king, tap his ability to take down two heroes, and then you may use queen and use her ability to take down the th. But if you deploy all your heroes in this single area, then maybe in the later process you may face some problem. And also one more problem which I have observed, guys, that he have used his machine too early. Okay, why I'm telling like that? First of all, he have used all his heroes in the starting position. Then he is also using the siege machine in a very initial position. Okay, so if there is high probability that this siege machine will not able to reach this building. Okay, so uh, what I actually mean that he could have used the siege machine in the later stages. Okay, but if you are using it in very starting of the game, then you may use this siege machine to take down some of the most important areas. Okay, like you may take down this middle areas, but uh, this will be little risky, guys. Okay, you can see he have freezed this area. That means he does not wanted his siege machine to be popped up and all the balloons to be out in this position. But okay, and you can also see the clan castle troop is out here and it is taking down all the balloons. So okay, let us proceed. The balloon have done a good job, guys. He have taken down all the nearby defense areas, but one problem which he may face is that his dragons are weak in this area. Only two dragons are available here, and queen is following her. So after the dragon gets destroyed, the queen may face some problem, and all other dragons have shifted in this area. So you may see that the the unequal distribution of dragons will give some problem. Okay, and you can see, guys, the clan castle troops are not yet tackled. The royal champion is doing good job, and she have cleared almost all the defenses in this area. So now uh, these heroes are easy to these heroes can take down these buildings easily. Okay, but since okay this the enemy heroes are not yet tackled, then they will attack these dragons and will create some problem. See, the queen has started attacking, and you can see the air defense is now gone, and warden have tapped his ability but you can see guys, the air mine have hit the dragons and the dragon is gone. Okay, warden is also gone. The king and two electro dragon followed by the queen is coming to the base, but since there was single target inferno, uh, the king is tackled easily. Okay, so I have already said guys, if there is some single target infernos, then using strong troops and the troops which take more housing space is little risky guys, because they may easily tackle down your dragons or your pekkas or your golems. So, and also they are heroes are very prone to this type of single target infernos. So you should be little careful in the initial stage only, that how you will tackle this single target infernos. Okay, now queen have tapped her ability, but it's too late guys. Now the air mines have hit the dragon, and soon the dragon will be drawn with uh, so I hope you have liked this video guys. Sorry for little uh, disturbance. Okay, in the mid of the videos. Meet you in next video. Thank you.